This tutorial will guide you how to check your YouTube Rhapsody 2025. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now using your browser, I'm using Chrome. Just on the address here, type for youtube.com/recap. Now it's called the recap instead of Rhapsody. Rhapsody is for Spotify and the recap is for YouTube. So make sure to go to youtube.com/recap. I'll put the link on the description and make sure to visit this link here. Now once you visit this link, it will take you to this page and it will ask you looking for your 2025 recap. Recap is available in the YouTube app. Now you need the YouTube app using your mobile phone, so just select here open YouTube. Now it will take you directly into the YouTube app. Ensure that you have the YouTube app, and once you open the YouTube app, it will show you all the top channels, videos and interest and more statistics you have watched through the last 365 days. Also, if you listen to music, you can, and you have the YouTube Music app, you can just open the YT Music, which is the YouTube Music app, and then you'll see an option here which is called the Recap 2025. If you select here Recap 2025, it will show you all the top songs you have listened for the past 365 days. Now if you're doing so but it doesn't show you, maybe it takes you to the YouTube app but it doesn't show you anything, then you can go to Play Store and search for the YouTube app, and ensure that the YouTube app has been updated to the latest version. Now if maybe you've updated it but you're still not seeing the YouTube recap, it's not just you, lots of people are having this issue as well, and even the YouTube team has responded regarding the same problem, as they say YouTube recap is rolling out globally through the week. Check back in with us if you're still not seeing it by then. So if this feature doesn't work for you, just wait like a few days, since the YouTube recap is rolling out globally through the week. Just wait like a few days and the issue should just resolve by itself. In the meantime, you can go to the Play Store and then search for YouTube. Click on the YouTube app and ensure that the YouTube app has been updated to the latest version. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.